Sous-chef. The sous-chef is the second in command in the kitchen, assisting the executive chef. Supervises kitchen operation in the absence of the executive chef, manages food preparation and cooking processes, ensures consistency in food quality and presentation, assists with training and mentoring kitchen staff, monitors inventory and ensures timely food orders. Banquet chef. The banquet chef specializes in preparing food for large-scale events and banquets. Design and executes menu for banquets and catered events. Manages the preparation and presentation of dishes for the large groups. Coordinates with the banquet manager to ensure timely service. Supervises banquet kitchen staff and assign tasks, and ensure food and quality and consistency during high volume services.